Maharashtra's civic election results are sending a clear political message as the BJP records a commanding performance across the state once again. As counting continues, trends indicate that the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance is storming ahead in municipal corporations, including the prestigious Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis described the outcome as a momentous victory, calling it a strong endorsement of the government's leadership and governance. Chief Minister Fadnavis personally congratulated Maharashtra BJP President Ravindra Chavan and Mumbai BJP President Amit Satam as early trends showed the party leading decisively. Celebrations were seen outside the BJP headquarters in Mumbai, with senior leaders and party workers expressing confidence in a comfortable win. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari also extended his wishes to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, and BJP Shiv Sena workers, stating that the trends reflect public trust in the Mahayuti alliance across Maharashtra. Vote counting is underway for all 227 wards of the Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation. The elections held on Thursday, January 15th, recorded a voter turnout of 52.94%, lower than the 55.53% turnout seen in 2017 civic polls. As results continue to come in, all eyes remain on the final seat tally, the winners and losers, and what this decisive mandate could mean for Maharashtra's political landscape in the months ahead.